Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this super cute simple beach nail design, so let's begin. As always, I'm starting off by applying a base coat, and don't mind the glitter, that is just a polygel nail extension. Next up, I'm taking this light blue polish, which is going to be for the water. It's going to be on my thumb, my index fingernail, and the first half of my middle nail. Now I'm taking this tan color, which will be the sand, and I'm applying it to the bottom half of my middle fingernail, my ring fingernail, and also my pinky fingernail. And now to begin the design, I'm taking white and I'm ripping a small piece of a makeup sponge and I'm dipping the makeup sponge in the white to do a frothy effect for the water coming up on the sand. And now for the heart in the sand, I'm taking this glittery gold polish and a tiny detail brush. To make the lines a little bit more even, I took a little bit more of the beige polish and outlined the gold. Next up, for the seashell, I'm taking this light purple and a dotting tool. And just to add texture, I'm adding 2 white lines. And here I'm just finishing up the bottom of the seashell. For the final part of the design, I'm taking this dark pink and I'm adding a starfish. And for the texture of the starfish, I'm going in with a few white dots. To finish up, I'm sealing it all in with a quick dry top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.